Bose recently decided to shake up the home audio market with their latest release, the Bose Smart Ultra Soundbar. This audio powerhouse crams an unbelievable amount of features into its sleek design, all at a price that will have you doing a double take. We're talking about cutting-edge surround sound technology, voice control that's at your service round, the clock, and an audio performance that will leave your jaw on the floor. And in this in-depth review, you'll see exactly why the Bose Smart Ultra Soundbar is redefining the boundaries of style, performance, and value for money. For more information and updated price, check the link in the description box below. Let's get started. Sound quality. First up, we have to talk about sound quality since that's what it's all about with any speaker. And let me tell you, the Bose Smart Ultra does not disappoint. This powerhouse soundbar is packing some serious audio technology. It's not just about the number of drivers or speakers. It's about the innovative technology that goes into creating that immersive, room-filling sound. That's where the magic of Dolby Atmos, R, and Bose True Space technology comes in. These technologies separate instruments, dialogue, and effects, placing them in different parts of a room for a truly immersive spatial audio experience. But that's not all. The Bose Smart Ultra also features an AI dialogue mode, which automatically balances voice and surround sound for ultra-crisp vocal clarity. It's like the singer is right there in the room with you. Even at high volumes, the sound stays clean without any distortion or muddiness. And when it comes to bass, Bose Quiet Port TEM technology provides exceptional bass performance and virtually no distortion at any volume. Explosions rumble, beats hit hard, and you'll hear deep bass tones you never noticed before in song. Whether watching action movies, listening to music, or playing intense video games, the Bose Smart Ultra Soundbar delivers incredibly dynamic, vibrant sound that fills the room. Beyond its killer sound quality, the Bose Smart Ultra is packing some seriously smart features under the hood. This heavy-hitting soundbar doubles as the brains for controlling your entire home entertainment space. For one, it has built-in Amazon Alexa. You can ask Alexa to play music, check the weather, control other smart devices, and so much more. No more fumbling with remotes or buttons, just use your voice. But that's not all. This soundbar also features HDMI eARC connectivity. What does that mean for you? It means you can control the soundbar's volume, mute, and settings using just your TV's remote. And when it comes to streaming music, the Bose Smart Ultra has got you covered. With Wi-Fi, Apple AirPlay 2, and Spotify Connect, you can stream music over Wi-Fi from practically any source. The world of music is literally at your fingertips. But what truly sets the Bose Smart Ultra apart is its Adapt IQ audio calibration. This proprietary technology tunes the soundbar's sound profile specifically for your room's size and acoustics. It's like having a personal audio engineer calibrating your system to deliver optimal sound in your unique space. Talk about smart! Shifting gears to design, the Bose Smart Ultra Soundbar keeps things classy with an elegant, minimalist style. It has a slim 2.3-inch tall profile that sits discreetly under your TV. This sleek and compact design ensures that your viewing experience is uninterrupted, while also adding a touch of sophistication to your entertainment setup. The soundbar features a sleek tempered glass top and wrapped metal grille, giving it a very refined, premium look. It's like having a piece of modern art right in your living room. And when it comes to color options, the Bose Smart Ultra is available in a stylish matte black colorway that seamlessly blends into any entertainment center. But if you prefer a lighter touch, it's also available in white. Either way, this soundbar is sure to complement your home decor beautifully. While the Bose Smart Ultra Soundbar doesn't come with a wireless subwoofer, its exceptional bass performance delivered through Bose Quiet Port technology ensures you won't miss a beat. Overall, the Smart Ultra's sophisticated design perfectly matches its stellar performance. It's the perfect blend of style and substance, making it an excellent addition to any home entertainment system. Setting up the Bose Smart Ultra Soundbar is an absolute breeze thanks to the intuitive step-by-step Bose Music app. It's like having a personal guide walking you through the entire process right on your smartphone. Just plug the soundbar into power, No need to worry about a subwoofer here because this soundbar is a standalone powerhouse. Next, connect the soundbar to your TV's HDMI ARC or eARC port using the included HDMI cable. It's as simple as plug and play. Now it's time to bring in the Bose Music app. Just open the app, select the Smart Ultra, and follow the on-screen instructions to connect it to Wi-Fi and link it to your favorite music streaming services. But we're not done yet. The Bose Smart Ultra features Adapt IQ audio calibration technology. This isn't your average calibration process. Instead of using your phone's microphone, it uses a special headset that comes with the soundbar. Just put on the headset and let Adapt IQ do its magic. It measures the sound in different locations in your room and automatically adjusts the soundbar's audio for optimal performance. Once that's complete, you're all set. You can immediately start streaming music wirelessly. And with HDMI eARC connectivity, you can control volume, mute, power, and even sources like a Blu-ray player using your TV's remote. Now let's talk about one of my favorite features, the built-in Amazon Alexa. Being able to control your soundbar completely with your voice is game-changing. You can ask Alexa to play music from services like Spotify, Apple Music, Pandora, and more. Just search by song title, artist, album, genre, whatever you want. Alexa also makes it a breeze to control other smart home devices like lights, thermostats, robot vacuums, and more. Just use your voice instead of fumbling for multiple remotes. Plus, you can ask Alexa about weather, traffic, sports scores, random trivia or jokes, and anything else Alexa is capable of. Having that hands-free access is so darn convenient. And thanks to Alexa Multi-Room Music, you can sync the Smart Ultra with other Alexa speakers for synchronized music throughout your whole home. Your house party just leveled up. Now let's talk about how the Bose Smart Ultra transforms your gaming experience. The immersive surround sound and heart-pounding bass pulls you right into the action like never before. When playing intense first-person shooters or racing simulators on Xbox, you'll literally hear and feel every gunshot, explosion, engine rev, and tire squeal surround you. Subtler details like enemy footsteps also gain new clarity so you can better pinpoint locations. You'll gain a real competitive edge. And thanks to HDMI eARC, you can adjust the volume using your Xbox controller instead of juggling multiple remotes. Everything is seamless. Basically, the Smart Ultra Soundbar adds a cinematic audio dimension that makes games insanely more engrossing. Your skills will markedly improve. Alright, now it's time to talk about the Bose Smart Ultra Soundbar's absolutely mind-blowing performance for movies and TV shows. This thing was made for home theater. When watching action movies, you literally feel every punch, explosion, crash, and rumble resonate all around you. The immersive surround sound makes you feel like you're inside the film. Vocals come through so crisp and clear, you'll pick up subtle details and inflections you missed before. And even during whisper-quiet scenes, dialogue remains perfectly intelligible. The wide, spacious soundstage recreates surround sound so convincingly, you'd think there are actual speakers placed behind you. It's amazing how well it tricks your ears and pulls you in. Simply put, this single compact soundbar pumps out room-filling audio on par with full surround systems costing thousands more. It's home theater magic. When it comes to music listening, the Bose Smart Ultra Soundbar shines bright. Its dynamic sound reveals subtle new details in your favorite songs you never noticed before. Kick drums hit harder, bass lines sound richer, synths gain warmth and texture, and guitars take on added crunch and resonance. Your music almost sounds remastered. Vocals also take on an almost three-dimensional presence. You'll pick up delicate inflections that make your favorite singers sound more natural and realistic than ever. And thanks to Wi-Fi streaming and Apple AirPlay 2 support, you have a practically endless catalog of music at your fingertips. Just ask Alexa or use the Bose app to wirelessly play tunes from any streaming service. Well, there you have it, friends, the full scoop on the game-changing new Bose Smart Ultra Soundbar. This thing delivers an utterly jaw-dropping audio experience. If you're looking to seriously upgrade your home audio game, the Bose Smart Ultra Soundbar is an absolute must-buy. Hit that link in the description down below to grab yours today. Let me know if you have other questions. And if you enjoyed this video, smash that like button and subscribe to the channel. Until next time, keep on jamming out!